Welcome, folks! Every survivalist and outdoors person knows the importance of quality equipment. Survival is no joke, and you need to be prepared with the best gear, the right supplies, and the right state of mind. Today's program is about a list of the 5 coolest survival gadgets on the market that can be useful for the next excursion and have some fun with. These are great tools to be safe within a car or just in a basement or survival shelter. Anyways, let's not waste any more time. Let's take a close look at the 5 cool survival gadgets that you can't survive without. BioLite Camp Stove 2. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 is a portable stove that every survivalist and outdoor enthusiast should have in his backpack. This miniature stove works with any kind of kindling. It has a special wood-burning compartment, and by burning kindling, you gain electricity. You can use this wood-burning stove to charge an external battery, phone, radio, or batteries. This thing literally converts fire into electricity. The BioLite can be used to cook food, to boil coffee, or just warm things up. And all the while, it will be charging crucial electronics, like walkie-talkies, radios, or your Kindle for some backwoods reading. The BioLite even comes with 3 special indicators that tell the strength of the fire, the power available, and the speed of the fan. Survival Fire Laces. Here is a pretty ingenious gadget. The best gadgets are things that don't take up space, that replace ordinary items, and that have real-life applications. These special survivor fire shoelaces can replace the ordinary laces and help start a fire when there's nothing else around. The fire laces are extremely strong paracord and tipped with steel fire ends. The laces can be used as paracord for stringing something together, and the ends can be used as laces to strike a spark and light a fire in any kind of climate. This is a great way to always have cordage on you. Always have tinder on you without carrying around any extra weight. Simply replace a shoelace with fire laces. USB lighter watch. How about a lighter that's also a watch? When the matches get wet, lighters run out of fuel and there's no way to start a fire. But rely on the USB lighter watch to get through the darkest situations. Not only will be a watch that always tells you the time, but also a windproof electric lighter built into the watch for ultimate convenience. Simply power by charging it like any other USB device and always have immediate access to fire, right there on the wrist through USB lighter watch. Another case of replacing something that you probably already have with something that does the same thing, but also provides additional survival utility. Leatherman Tread Bracelet. The Leatherman Tread Utility Bracelet is like a Swiss Army knife for the wrist. No need to carry it in the pocket, as this brilliant survival tool acts just like a bracelet. It fits on anybody's wrist and comes included with at least 29 unique tools. This could mean the difference between being able to fix your car in a disaster scenario and making it to safety versus being stranded and getting swallowed up by the looming disaster. The Tread bracelet comes with a screwdriver options, several hex drives, an oxygen tank wrench, a carbide glass breaker, a special pick for SIM cards, a cutting hook, a bottle opener, and much more. The links are interchangeable to give the ultimate convenience in what tools to have equipped. This survival gadget is not only cool, it's actually genuinely extremely useful. Titanium Escape Ring. This is more of a novelty item than a survival gadget. But for a person who feels there could be kidnapping at any moment, then definitely need to wear the titanium escape ring at all times. It looks like a normal ring, but it's actually a survival gadget that can get anyone out of a bind in a second. If a person ever gets tired with cord or rope, then that is the point where titanium escape ring becomes essential a survival thing. It uses a hidden saw blade to help cut through zip ties, disposable handcuffs, rope, duct tape, or any other similar restraints. It can even be used as a shim pick to escape a real set of handcuffs. If there is social unrest, a rise in crime, or the potential of martial law in the near future, then the titanium escape ring is definitely something anybody should look into. That will conclude our program for today. If you liked today's video, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating gadgets and survival stuffs that we cover in our videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.